Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make half double crochet ribbing. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I am doing half double crochet ribbing, so you can see how it's going to look. You can see the ridges that have been made, and you can see the texture and how stretchy it is. Over here on the row that I'm currently working, I have made 2 chains because I am going to be doing half double crochet stitches, and it is how tall they are. I will have the tutorials that I have already made on how to make half double crochet stitches, how to make chains, and how to work in the back loops, since we are going to be using all of those to make this half double crochet ribbing. So on the row that I'm currently working, again, I have made 2 chains over here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a half double crochet stitch into this first stitch right here. Normally you would work right here. When making stitches, you're actually going to be working into the back loops for these. So you would work right in between here. You're going to work through that back loop right there. Grab that yarn, pull it through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to complete it just like a regular half double crochet. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make a couple more half double crochet stitches into the back loops here. And you can see that ridge is starting to form right here from working into the back loops. Okay, so we're going to keep working into the back loops with this half double crochet stitch. And you can see how it's starting to match the rest of the rows here. Okay, even up to that last stitch in the row, you're going to be working in the back loops, and you can see the ridges that have been made. This is what the back is going to look like. And this is, you would continue this row and just repeat it for any future rows that you would like to make. So if you were going to continue and on the next row, you would chain 2. You would just work half double crochets into the back loops of these stitches right here. So you would work right in between these. And you would just continue that and repeat it for however many rows that you want. And it's going to create this ridged texture. And you can see how it sort of is like woven in between it. And that is going to be half double crochet ribbing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos you would like to see on stitches or patterns or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.